Oh, okay. All right, so today we're going to learn about telling time. We're going to keep learning about it, I should say. So can anyone remind me which one the hour hand is and how we know it's the hour hand? Nat?
The shorter one.
The shorter one, short and fat one. Which one's the minute hand?
The long and skinny one.
Long and skinny one. And how do we tell what time of day it is? So AM and PM. Which one's in the morning?
AM.
And which one's in the afternoon?
PM.
Good job, girls. Okay, so instead of using our Judy clocks today and telling time in math meeting, we're actually going to use our computers to tell time. So if you can go back to your table spots.
Wow, that was fast.
Thank you for the quiet transition. Okay, on your screen you're going to see a green box with a green arrow on it. Can you click on the green arrow, please? Good job. Now click the white arrow.
Good, kitty.
Good job. You guys can have fun watching this little introduction.
Wow, where are they going?
So first we're going to start by practicing. So if you want to choose the practice box, we're going to use the analog clock, which is the circle clock. So go ahead and click on that. Oh, and then click the arrow in the, sorry. Now,
Sorry guys, okay, practice.
Oh, so instead of clicking on the analog clock, we're going to practice switching the hands. Sorry for this.
Oh.
Yep. So this is how we move the minute hand. But you can't move the hour hand because what happens when the minute hand goes around a full rotation, it's a new hour, right?
Right.
So you can only move the minute hand. So practice on your mouse pad moving the minute hand. It might be a little tricky. Good job. And you can see it moves on the digital clock also. So when you think that you have, and also you see the PM in the middle of the analog clock.
Mm-hmm.
To switch that to AM, you just press on it. So practice that right now by pressing on it. And you can see how it switches. Okay, give me a quiet thumbs up when you feel like you've had enough practice. Nice. So we're going to click the arrow. And now we're going to move to level 1. So click on level 1. And click on the analog clock, please. And then the arrow. And then just wait for the next direction. Okay, so on the bottom of the clock, you see that there's a time in white that it says to set the clock to. Once you get that right, then the little bar on the bottom of your screen is going to fill up after you press the check button. I'm going to pass out pieces of paper for you to color in that corresponds with your computer that look like this.
Got it.
Okay, so then once you think you have the right time, you press the check button in the bottom left-hand corner. I'll pass you out a pencil or coloring pencil for you to color in your circles once you have them on your screen. And then you just keep going.
That's a kitty playing. That's a kitty face.
Oh, Nat, that says try again. Why do you think that says try again?
I think I accidentally forgot to change it to AM.
Good job. Nice fix.
And you can do that. I actually did myself.
What do you guys notice about the screen when you change it from AM to PM?
It gets dark or it gets light.
Right, when is it dark?
When it's PM.
Yeah, usually. Good job, girls. when you're all done with level 1, just give me a quiet thumbs up and I'll come check your paper.
Level complete.
Oh, good job. Okay. So typically we go on, do this as math centers and go on, like having a lot of time. But for now, we're just gonna be all done. So thanks.